Alrighty guys, well, I picked up an old crusty hard body today, so I'm gonna end up cleaning that, wiping it all up because it's pretty nasty. So you go and see that right there. Oh yeah, look at all that. Ooh, that thing is ugly, but I picked it up cheap and it has the title and it kind of runs and it needs a clutch. So good news, I have a clutch. So that'll be in one of the next videos. But it's really bad, so I'm gonna go and clean it some right now. Later on I'll be like, why doesn't that work? Well, because you forgot you didn't hook that up. Oh snap, son. Can always use extra fuses. 15 amp. So as you can see, those Clorox wipes don't really work. So I wiped it down. I got most of the nasty dirt ugliness off. I didn't get right here. You can still see that's still pretty nasty. I'll hit that really quick, but it's still pretty dirty. Wow, would you look at that? I can actually see the gauges. Yeah, shine it up. Ooh-wee. That. Yep. It's still ugly. Oh yeah. You know what? I got something better than this for that. Pow! Look at that. Ooh. and it kind of screws on. Bam. Perfect. I accept. Well, so we put a shift knob on it and we cleaned it up a little bit. Not a very exciting video, but that's okay, because we don't have very exciting stuff that we're doing right now. In one of the next videos, look at me. Ooh-wee. Perfect. Yes, rocks on the feet. We will be doing the trans. We'll be pulling it out and be changing the clutch in it, which I have the clutch. It is in the back of the truck. I'll show you it right here. Bam, brand new, Exetti. Might not look brand new, but it's a brand new clutch. So I'll be doing that in the next couple days, and I'll go and videotape it for you. And then after that, we'll be taking care of all this body work. This is terrible, but I think we'll go and sand it all bare, like down to almost bare metal, give it a skim coat if it needs it, and then we'll be painting it. I don't know which color yet. I was thinking white. My brother was thinking blue. I don't know. We'll see what it ends up being eventually. So, and then it's getting slammed on the ground, and I'm probably just gonna polish up these mag wheels that I got with it, and they'll look pretty good. These little guys right here. Bam. So slammed on the ground with the mags on it, it should look pretty good. So I'll keep you guys up to date on it. You tell me how you like it or how you hate it. I don't care. Like it, dislike it, subscribe if you want to. Probably not going to, but it's okay. All right, see ya.